Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm Joseph DeLuca with One Gun Firearms lead instructor. Today's video we're going to take a look at the Lock Leather Holster by Urban Carry Holsters. This is their new hybrid holster that combines Kydex and leather. So let's get to the unboxing after this intro video. So why don't we get to it? Let's go ahead and open this box. All right, here we go. The Urban Carry Lock Leather Holster. Let's open this bad boy up. All right, so first impression, comes with a nice little pouch. Comes with a little sticker. So I'll be putting that on in my office. And what we have is the holster. So I will go get my Sig P365XL, which is what I purchased this for. And we'll see how this fits. Now how this holster works is there's a clip on the inside. So as you slide in your firearm, it's going to engage your trigger guard, and that's what's going to keep your firearm secure. All right, let's see how this holster works. So we have the holster and we have an unloaded firearm here. This is my Sig P365. We'll be doing a video on this later. So everything in front of me is downrange area. So basically what you do is you just insert the holster, the firearm into the gun. Once it clicks, as you can see, I'm shaking it and it's not coming out, but it does draw very easily and it releases. So let me go ahead and put this holster on and we'll try it from inside the waistband. Now let's talk about concealability. I'm wearing a loose t-shirt, long sleeve t-shirt. I will spin around, see if there's any printing. Obviously, you're going to want to practice with your holster to figure out a good placement for it. Right now, I have it at my 9 o'clock. Now, as we know with leather holsters, they do take time to adhere to the shape of your gun. So for the first couple of weeks, I would practice putting the gun in and taking it out. It is a little tight when you first get it to come out, but it will come out with a quick yank. And then just be careful not to flag yourself as you reholster. And it's that easy. I will continue to wear this holster for about a week to 2 weeks, carrying it as I go about my daily life. And I will follow up with you and let you know how I feel as far as how comfortable it is compared to a Kydex holster with a leather back. This is Joseph DeLuca with One Gun Firearms. Thank you for watching. And as always, if you like these videos, go ahead and click subscribe and hit that bell icon so you get notified when I produce new videos. I try to produce videos every couple of weeks, so look forward to more videos coming. Thank you for watching, and God bless.